So, nag-harvest ko sa eggs, guys. Nag-harvest ko sa tatay. Mapi ko pag-harvest. This is our project 2 years and a half ago. This project for to airport former Dominic board member Dominic Petilla for the province of Leyte. Of course, for give this the government. So I very thankful to thank you for the government to former Dominic for giving this layering building. And then after 2.5 years nagkal, and this is second recycle now. Garbage time egg, guys. So doon na sa ako, guys. Doon lang eggs na. So again, please subscribe me and please the button for the notification para palagi ding update sa mga download video, guys. Thank you very much. God bless you all. This is a fresh egg, guys. Bye.